Hello everyone. In this quick walkthrough, we will learn how to get cell styles from an Excel workbook using the Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector in Power Automate. We will end up with an array of information about our cell styles, including the path, the style name, the format ID, and the built-in ID. We will begin our walkthrough by initiating a manually triggered Instant Cloud flow. We will use this option so we can have full control over our data. In our first step, we will get an Excel file from our system using a getFileContent action. In my example, I'm getting a workbook which has good, bad, and neutral styles applied to various cells. Next, we will add a new action and search for Cloudmersive connectors. We are looking for the Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector, which has a green logo. We will click See More to view the actions list, and from there, we will search for an action called Get Styles from an Excel Spreadsheet Worksheet. Once we find this action, we will select it, and we will then need to create and authorize our Cloudmersive Document Conversion connection. To do that, we will need a free Cloudmersive API key, and we can get one of those by creating a free account on the Cloudmersive website. To configure our request, we will simply open the advanced parameters and add our Excel file content to the input file bytes field. Since we're performing a GET request, we don't need to configure anything else. We will now save and run our flow so we can see how this connector action retrieves and structures our cell style information. When our flow finishes running, we will open up our style retrieval action, head down to where it says Outputs, and click Show Raw Outputs. In my example, we'll notice my cell styles array is filled with information about each cell style used in the document. I can now filter and select this information downstream in my flow to take dynamic actions based on good, bad, or neutral cell styles in my files. There's a lot more we can do with this, of course, but I'll leave that up to you. As always, if you have any questions about using Cloudmersive connectors in your Power Automate flows, please feel free to reach out to any member of our team.